Hey, welcome back to the channel. This is a 2022 Honda HRV, and this is part of a series I'm doing of just regular maintenance on the vehicle. Today we're going to change the cabin filter, so let's get inside and get after it. After you open the glove box, there's this little arm on the left side, and as you push it, it snaps out of place. Then at the top of the glove box, there are two tabs, one on the left and one on the right. What you have to do is you have to push these in, and then the glove box comes down. Now we have access to the cabin filter. There's a cover that you have to remove. There are two tabs, one on the left and one on the right. Just simply push them in and the cover comes right off. Then just grab the filter and pull it out. On the cover you'll see an arrow with the word up. This is the direction of the airflow. So when you put the new air filter in, you need to make sure that arrow is pointing up. Now for some reason, I don't know why, but this print is upside down, but the arrow is up. Slide the new filter in, put the cover on, and you should hear the clicks once it's in place. Now close the glove compartment and you'll hear the two tabs clip back in place. Then reattach the arm on the left. Close the glove compartment, and this job is done. On to the next one. Thanks for watching.